I got a phone call from my dad, and as soon as I seen his number on my phone, I knew. Hey, come over here for a minute. Pretty tough call to take. I got a call. Grandpa died today. So, at 1 o'clock, I got a call. It's all good. We knew it was coming. It's all good.
Oh, I'm so sorry, babe.
Hey, he was sick, we knew that.
I know, but you were that close. It's not fair.
So, that's the way it goes.
Yeah.
He knew we were on the block.
Yeah, he knew that, yeah, we were on the block. We told him when he was, you know, in hospital in Adelaide earlier on in the year. And, you know, we couldn't wait to tell him, you know, we wanted him to make sure that he wasn't going anywhere and that he was going to be hanging around and, yeah.
Big breaths.
Yeah.
You all right?
You're that brave, you just keep going, you don't even... Oh.
I wanted to get the room.
I know, and he'd be that proud of you. Yeah, it was, you know, it was pretty much a lull just to get motivated.
I wanted to leave as soon as possible to go and see more so the family that was still at home looking after our kids and spend some family time with my mum and dad and Jade's mum and dad. It was important for us to get back.
Really sorry about what's happened. It's
Thank you.
very
Thanks,
sad. I understand that the funeral's on Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday morning.
So I can organise Keith and Dan to manage your trades and even, if need be, get on a paintbrush and paint for you.
Thanks, matey, much appreciated.
No worries, no. It's all right.
Thanks, Scotty.
That's all right.
Thanks.
We'll get it painted. You get your trades organised.
Thanks,
and
mate.
it'll be, I'll guarantee you 100% it'll be finished Sunday morning to your standards.
No, thanks, mate, much appreciated. Yeah, with open arms, Scotty said, mate, I'll make it happen, you're on your way home. He had our back and he'd organised a few things behind the scenes that was going to happen while we were away with trades, Dan.
Thanks. Just the extra support from Scotty was, yeah, the next level.
Look, my grandfather, he knew why we were over here and he knew what we were doing and he was stoked. He would have been well and truly happy for us.
You right? Good on you. All righty.
Thanks, matey.
Thank you.
Thanks,
No
Scotty.
worries.